Hi friends, today the wordplay is draw lines to match the following. Say the words. The birds build dens, the spiders make holes, the rabbits dig ponds, the rats dig trees, the lions lives in nests, the snakes live in burrows, the ducks live in holes, the pigs live in hives, the bees live in stay, the monkeys live on webs. Now draw the lines to match the following. The birds build nest. The spiders make webs. The rabbits dig burrows. The rats dig holes. The lions live in dens. The snakes live in holes. The ducks live in ponds. The pigs live in sty. The bees live in hives. The monkeys live on trees.